And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Let's make it a great week.
McGaw wants to thank all of the generous donations from our community to make Teacher of the Day so special.
Can I have a robot?
This is Principal Aiden Beck Desmira.
And I'm Vice Principal Lily Anahan, and here are this week's announcements.
Best of luck to our 5th graders because pageant tryouts are on Monday.
Sea Lion course rehearsal is on Tuesday at 7:20 in the morning. Let's remember to be safe during drop-off.
The McGaw Sea Lions want to share our gratitude with the board members Meg Catulli and Scott Fayette. Thank you for all you have done.
Pageant rehearsal is on Thursday after school.
The Native American Heritage Assemblies are happening in the auditorium on Friday. Enjoy this special performance.
Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
McGaw Idol is back. If you have a talent that you'd like to show off in front of the entire school, well, then McGaw Idol is just for you. Remember, permission slips are due this Friday, and it's important that your parents register your performance as soon as possible. We'll see you at the big show.
I watched them from a different movie. Well,
Me too. I
actually,
1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Can you show it to me? High five. Yeah.
We got a robot. Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
Hey friends, we didn't have any Robux in TK this week, so we're going to choose 2 next week. See you then.
Kindergarten.
Our first Roebuck of the week goes to kindergartner from Miss Sizemore's class, Aubrey Arguedas. Aubrey is aware of what is happening around her and always jumps in to help when needed. And that, Aubrey, is exactly what this school needs. Thanks so much.
First grade.
The first Roebuck winner from first grade comes from Miss Garola's class. Put your hands together and celebrate Rebecca Vivarito. Miss De Bayona gave a Roebuck to Becca because she helped bring lunch to her class. She was so helpful and she was so kind. Thanks so much, Becca. Our second Roebuck winner from first grade got a Roebuck from Miss Ryan. Put your hands together and celebrate Riley Parton. She said that Riley and her friends stayed behind after lunch and stacked all the trays. And friends, we got to get better out there on the lunch tables and with sorting our food. You'll hear more about that later on. But first, let's say thank you to Riley.
Second grade.
Our second grade Roebuck winner comes from Miss Line's class. Put your hands together for Ann Tren. Miss Melissa said that Ann spent her recess picking up garbage because people were leaving it on the ground. Thanks so much, Ann, for making sure that our campus is clean.
Third grade.
Our third grade winner for the Raw Buck is Roylan Burdick. Roylan got a Raw Buck because he was following directions and listening for instructions when a substitute was in the class. Thanks so much, Roylan, for being respectful and honorable when your teacher isn't there.
4th grade.
Mrs. Samari wants to shout out 4th grader Levi Barber. She said that Levi is a model student and gets his work done, and he helps his classmates. Thanks so much, Levi, for doing your best in STEM class.
5th grade.
Congratulations to 5th grader Jasmine Walker. Miss Cohen says that Jasmine always stays behind to help clean up after group. She's always eager to help me before, during, and after, and she's very consistent. Thanks so much, Jasmine. You've been an awesome addition to the Sea Lion family.
Thanks for that, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!